Debian 13 Trixie just dropped on the 9th of August, and on the surface, it looks like business as usual. Stable, reliable, no fireworks. But dig deeper, and there's some seriously modern magic hiding in Debian's conservative shell. Stick around, let's uncover the secrets you're not reading about elsewhere. So, what's officially new? First, Debian now officially supports RISC-v64, meaning 64-bit RISC-v hardware can run Debian natively. 7 architectures are now supported, including S390X, ARM64, PPC64L, and the new RISC-v64. i386 is no longer a first-class citizen upgrade or retire that hardware. It includes security hardening like ROP and COP, JOP mitigation via Intel CET on AMD 64, and PAC BTI on ARM 64 enabled automatically on compatible hardware. And we're talking HTTP boot support, more reproducible builds, HTTP, 3-inch curl, BDIC Hunt spell dictionaries, improved spell checking in Qt web engine browsers, and even Plasma 6 included. Let's go beneath the surface. APT 3.0 and modernized sources. Trixie defaults to APT 3.0 and includes an APT modernized sources command to update your APT files to the new Deb 822 format. That's part of an upgrade path that's smoother, but only if you follow Debian's step-by-step upgrade docs. A massive package refresh. Over 14,000 new or updated packages since Bookworm, with recent versions like GNOME 48, KDE, Plasma 6.3, Emacs 30.1, GCC 14.2, glibc 2.41, Python 3.13, Rust 1.85, and Linux kernel 6.12. Long lifecycle clarity. Official support is 3 years until August 2028 plus 2 more years of LTS until around August 2030. That's a solid 5-year window for stability. If you're upgrading from Debian 12, plan ahead. Back up your config data. Convert APT sources Deb 822. Remove third-party repos before upgrading. And hardware caveats. i386 systems can't be upgraded. ARML is reaching end of life, and MIPS is already gone. On the flip side, live ISO images let you boot via USB or DVD. Try desktops like GNOME, KDE, Cinnamon, Massachusetts, TE, LXDE, LXQT, no install required. On Hacker News, people say CachyOS may be slightly faster, but these optimizations might just get unstreamed someday. Okay, that's for CachyOS, but communities around Debian are praising Trixie's blend of modern toolchains and bulletproof stability. Is Trixie flashy? Nope. Is it a rock-solid base with hidden muscle? Absolutely. So here's your bottom line. Debian 13 Trixie is the most modern Debian release in years, RISC-V support, hardened security, refreshed toolchains, and a clear 5-year lifespan, all without compromising that trademark Debian reliability. For anyone who wants rock-solid infrastructure that quietly keeps up with modern hardware and security, Trixie is your distro. Thanks for watching. If you're upgrading, do it carefully, but expect to stay stable for years.